Okay guys, so today we're going to be making a vegetable and chicken stir fry. So these are all the ingredients we're going to use in order to make our vegetable and chicken stir fry. So here I have about 6 cloves of garlic chopped up. I have some pieces of ginger. So let me see if I can help you identify the ginger because it's all covered by the garlic. Okay, so there you can see the pieces of ginger that I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 pieces of ginger cut up, sliced. Here I have some chicken that is already seasoned and I cut it into strips. For the vegetables I'm using, I have some pak choy here, I have some carrots, I have some mushrooms. Here I have some spring onions and some cilantro. For the sauce, I have 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. I have 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I have 2 teaspoons of rice wine, and about 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. So that's what I have for the sauce. Now I also have here a slurry that I made with some chicken broth and cornstarch. So we will add this at the end to help to thicken up our sauce. All right, so that's all that we're going to use to make our stir fry. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started with our stir fry. First we're going to put some oil in our wok here, and then I'm going to add in some ginger and garlic. I'm not going to add in all the ginger and the garlic. I'm just going to add in some, and I'm going to stir fry the chicken first, and then after I will stir fry the vegetables. So let's just saute the garlic and the ginger so it becomes nice and fragrant. Now I am also going to be adding salt to this dish as well. So you just add salt to taste. Remember the sauce that we made, the coconut aminos does have some salt, but I think I would have to add a little bit of salt when I'm doing the vegetables. Of course my chicken is seasoned and it does have salt in it, so when I'm doing the veggies is when I will still sprinkle a little more salt as well. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my chicken. Okay, so I'm now going to take out the chicken and I'm now going to stir fry the veggies. So I'm going to add in the rest of the garlic and ginger. Probably just add a little more oil. So I'm going to add in the carrots and the mushrooms first. So I'm just going to cook the carrots and the mushrooms at this point in time, as they will take the longest to cook. I'm just going to put a pinch of salt. So we're going to stir fry this until the mushroom has softened. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my pak choy, my cilantro, and my spring onions. Okay, at this point I'm also going to add back my chicken. Okay, so I have a sauce. I'm going to add the sauce. Remember the sauce that we made? I'm going to add the sauce to it. Now, I'm also going to add in the slurry that I made with the chicken broth and the cornstarch. I'm just stirring it. Now I'm going to add it. And at the very end, something I did forget to mention to you guys, I didn't show you all in the beginning, was some sesame oil. So I am going to add, at the end, I'm going to drizzle some sesame oil on this. Alright, so guys, that's basically it. Our vegetable and chicken stir fry. Let me just add in some of the sesame oil now. Alright, so there you have it, folks. Our veggie and chicken stir fry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and don't forget to give the video the thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to share. See you in my next video. Bye for now.